Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, Senior Economist, and here are the headlines while we are away. We have a lot of news on the tech front, which is weighing down the NASDAQ. First, we have the U.S. is mulling requiring permits for global NVIDIA AMD AI chip sales. So what they want to do, they've written a draft regulation that would restrict AI chip shipments to anywhere in the world without the American government approval, giving Washington broad control on whether other countries can build facilities for training and running artificial intelligence models and under what conditions. This would be virtually for all exports of AI accelerators from NVIDIA. And these chips obviously are most coveted by the most coveted tech components in the world. Consequently, we saw shares of NVIDIA drop by as much as 2%, and AMD declined about 2.3% on this news. Moving on, we have Oracle plans to cut thousands of jobs in an AI cash crunch. Now, we talk often about how much money these companies are spending, and Oracle needs to now axe thousands of jobs as it moves to handle the cash crunch from its massive AI data center expansion effort. In fact, they're going to be in the negative until 2030, starting this year. So as a result, they feel they need to implement job reductions. Not good news for Oracle, obviously. Moving on to Anthropic. The Pentagon formally notified Anthropic that it's deemed the artificial intelligence company and its products a risk to the U.S. supply chain. Now, this all started a couple weeks ago when the Department of War was talking to Anthropic, trying to hammer out a contract governing the Pentagon's access to Anthropic's technology. The talks kind of broke down last week after Anthropic demanded assurances that its AI wouldn't be used for mass surveillance of American people or autonomous weapons deployment. Hegseth then declared in an ex post that Anthropic posed a supply risk, and now it has formally sent notice that Anthropic is now deemed a risk to the U.S. supply chain. Moving on, we had sub 6% mortgage rates for a second there. Home buyers had to act fast last week to nab the first sub 6 mortgage rates in more than 3 years. Now they're up as the new conflict in the Middle East threatens to nudge them higher with inflationary concerns. The average for the 30-year fixed loans climbed to 6% from 5.98% last week, which was, again, the lowest since September 2022. Moving on, let's look at bond traders are now seeing an increasing chance of no cut in 2026. So traders as of today were pricing in a 25% chance the Fed will hold the benchmark rates within the current range by December. This is according to data compiled by the Atlanta Fed. That was up 17%. That's up from 17% on Friday. And the no-cut scenario was the single most likely outcome among all the other possibilities. Other scenarios included a 24% chance of a 1/4 point cut and 12% for 2 reductions. So that is a big change in rate cut expectations, particularly as we see Warsh probably coming into the Fed in May, and knowing the administration is once their rate cut. So we'll have to see. Everything is fluid. We'll have to see how that changed. Drastic change from what we have seen just a couple of weeks ago. And last but not least, in the energy sector, we have WTI above 80 for the first time since January 2025. Diesel, we talked about this morning, a bellwether for the economy. It runs the economy, is up another 10% today. And if you were with us this morning when we were talking to our guest, Ronald Smith, he was talking about India now purchasing Russian cargoes. Those cargoes are now selling at a $4 to $5 premium to Brent right now for India delivery, which is very big change from the minus $20 discount that they were getting before. So it just goes to show you what a crunch we are in right now for barrels. With that, I will hand it off to Leah, Salma, and Chris for Trade the Close.
Thanks, Tracy. What's up, chat? What's up, Salma? What's up, Chris?
Hey, guys.
How are you?
I'm just, I'm looking for your stop out because I know you're short.
You're so fake.
Why is that
so
fake? How's that fake?
Why can't you root for me to win? Because my TP is so close.
I have to root for me to win. And in order for me to win,
crazy.
You have to lose.
Guys, it's always your own friends.
Well, I'm rooting for both of you, so.
See? Why can't you be like Chris?
What are you, like in a wing or something? What's up?
He's Switzerland.
He's some weird options wing where he wins if both of us win?
Yeah. Tacos.
Or are you just sitting back and eating tacos? Okay, where is it?
Not yet.
We're hunting for Salma's stop. Instead of hunting for Red October, it's hunting for Salma's stop.
Bro, that's so fake. At least you're long, the strongest, and I'm short, the weakest, so it's fine.
He should be
fine.
He's real because he's like telling you in your face that he's shorting. He's not shorting you behind your back and rooting for you.
Yeah.
Damn, you even have the chat going against me too. Wow. That's crazy.
Can't root against their own position, Salma.
Okay, but here's the thing with like NQ, and this is the beautiful thing is we can drop, hit my TP, and he could still be green on his NQ, or he could go back to like break even. And
I don't want to go, but see, I don't have time for
you don't have time for that
mental distress that will put me through. I don't want to deal with that.
All right, what's your TP on NQ? Because I might have the mental distress to deal with.
Like 485 would be the next one. I already took off most of this trade. Like I think I was in 6 lots to start with. So
850, you mean?
880s, 880 right here.
Oh, 880.
885.
Okay.
So this is V range level.
All right. Well, if that happens, whatever. I'll hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just whatever's.
Salma is just going to move her stop so that she doesn't get stopped out when we go there.
No, sirree. I'm taking this trade across a lot of accounts. It's not getting moved. It's staying. But yeah, I'm actually just happy to be able to get a trade in because when me and Stowe were on, market was really not doing much.
Were you guys on earlier today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. We're gonna replace Salma and Leo on Thursday with Salma and Stowe. Don't
nope.
hit me.
Who made that decision? I didn't authorize that.
I mean, you can always hop on when we're on. But yeah.
Wow.
I'm joking.
Let me know when he buys you a book, and other favors that I've done for you.
What other? Oh, here we go. Here we go. That was quick.
Yep.
It was a big favor when he got you out of that monitor into one of his $50,000 monitors.
Oh, dude,
that was also a favor. Yeah.
I still got those monitors.
I don't know. I don't see Stowe bending over backwards to do things for you.
Did you really bend over backwards though, or was it just like a click of a button? Let's be real.
There was bending over. I was getting bent over.
Whoa.
What?
What?
I'm just kidding.
What is going on?
Yo.
What the hell?
It came out of you.
What the frick? All right, let's just move on.
The closer we get to Friday, the
more wild it gets. Meow.
Holy crap. Oh, God.
It's too early for this? No, it's not. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
There
That's
has
that's
never been a
never.
those
more
level
quotable
of thing.
thing said. That was
Bro,
good. That was actually good.
it's funny.
Chris, what's your plan for this afternoon?
A
Jude
little bit,
says,
little bit of
sorry,
that.
good.
We are into the 800 area in NQ, 780, 800, which was a target if we lost the 950, 960s. I mean, we tested that 3 times. I participated in those bounces from there into 780, 800 here. Can we hold? If so, we can we move back up, but we would have to reclaim that 880s, which is the bull bear zone for this overall range that we're in.
Yeah.
If not, we go back down into 680s, 700, which is the 2-week, now 3-week range support here that you guys can see. The 680s area, right around there, right? 10 points higher, 10 points below. It's that big support. So we can't hold here at 800. We're going to go back down there. And it might just be range bound now here. So it's still, I don't know who'll win, either you or Salma.
Salma. I'd literally just need like, I don't need that much. It's a little bit more.
Just a few more points. Yeah, we're just consolidating here now for the last hour or so.
Yeah, I mean, I do like this long for a variety of reasons. But mostly, you know, we're at where support should be. And we're holding it so far. Secondly, because these afternoon kind of breaks often will revert back. It's very rare that we close in the lows into the lows, but you know, anything is possible, of course. So I think Chris took this trade earlier, right? Like an hour ago, maybe.
Which one?
When we tested it back here at like what, 10:30 your time?
Yeah, I was long pretty much right there. I partialed out into that push.
Yeah, same. I just took it again when we like rallied out of this low.
Yeah. But if we can't get going here, this will become acceptance, and then yes, we'll have a date with prior day low. NQ maybe goes down to new lows into what is this? 720s area.
I like that. I don't like this. It's been a lot of news coming out today too. It's been nonstop. Do you guys really think that we get this close to previous day low on ES and just reverse back?
Why not?
Yeah, sometimes that happens.
Yeah, I don't know if I like that. I mean, we're 6 points away. Just do it.
The market doesn't care about your personal opinion.
This is true.
Yo.
Although it should.
I've learned that. I had to learn that the hard way.
Yeah. Is that what you guys call poor low? When like it comes down hard
I mean, yesterday, like revisiting yesterday's low, I wouldn't refer to that as like a poor, like it is a poor low, but it's not a poor, you know, it's like it is, but it's not.
Well, which is it?
I wouldn't really, I don't know. I wouldn't consider it a poor low. Poor low needs to happen the same day. It's like a double bottom the same day for me. I mean, we have, let's see, almost a pretty, like, this is a really weak low. I wouldn't call it a poor low. It's basically the same thing, though. We'll just call it a poor low. Do you see how much I care about poor lows?
middle income low.
Middle? So that's going to be your middle income low, not the high earner low.
What's the name of the red cloud indicator on your chart on TradingView? It is the EMA cloud. But I have under two settings. One capturing a darker red cloud that captures the space between. Let me see. Let me give you the settings here.
I am going to take one off here, 50 points.
One is between the 16 and the 28 MA, and then the other is between the, let's see, 3 and 4, the 16 and the 50 EMA. So the idea here is that the darker shade is the initial resistance in a trend lower. And then the lighter red is still part of that resistance. But when we start forming acceptance into the lighter shade, then I know that we're going to attempt a reversal versus just retest the dark shade and then reject back down. These 15-minute candles are just like back and forth, up, down, up, down.
It's like that one GIF.
Yeah, they look like our daily candles, just up, down, up, down.
Did you say Jeff, like the peanut butter?
Like GIF.
Like GIF. GIF.
That's like, that sounds so off though. GIF.
Okay, chat. Can we get actually, NinjaTrader needs to run an official survey because I want to settle this debate.
I took ESL. I think I know.
Is it GIF, like the peanut butter? So just spell it. Is it JIF?
It's not the peanut butter, Nick says.
Like the peanut butter. Or is it GIF?
Yeah, who cares what the inventor says?
Let's please run a poll.
Giphy Lube.
Like a G.
Real G's
Gift
are
without
silent,
the T. G's, real G's are silent, like lasagna.
All right, here we go. YM new lows. Give it to me.
Pay her.
Please.
Did you guys already both partial out?
No, I don't partial.
I did.
I've also been in this trade for God knows how long.
Can we get a poll, please?
Been 400 hours.
It's literally been so long. Yes, come on. Leo, that was a good partial out on your end.
Thanks.
See, I can be nice.
You're just not trying to go all out war with me, just partial war.
Bro, I already know not to be on your bad side.
You do, but you're learning that you know it, but do you know it is the question.
I know it. I know it.
Can we get a poll? How much money do we have to pay production to get a poll?
Gotta offer some tacos. Everything's solved with tacos.
You can, okay, Chris will send you a DoorDash for tacos if you just put a poll up.
After Leo Venmos me. Pass over some of those gains with that Uber Eats order.
Bro, did they really? Come on. Quit playing games.
So the way I use EMAs for trend-based setups, if it's on the 1 minute time frame, if it's trending downward and it retraces to the cloud, enter at the retest of the EMA. Yes and no. It depends on the larger time frame structure. Like, this whole range earlier, we were at the 960s to the 25,100 sort of area range, and then we broke lower, right? So we were consolidating, contracting, and energy expanded to the downside. So you have immediate feedback there that the direction moves to the downside. So based on that, your comment on shorting, in this case, shorting a bounce into the EMA cloud does make sense because we just left an area of consolidation, and the trend is clearly now lower versus that 2-hour range we were in, right? 730, yeah, 2-hour range. So yes, the short into the 20 EMA cloud here makes sense if that's how you're framing your idea. But in other days, if we are in an uptrend and we're breaking out of higher time frame consolidations, then you probably don't want to short this bounce because this is a pullback in a higher time frame uptrend, and you probably want to be looking for a buy at support in these areas and ignore the bounces into this downward EMA cloud, right? So higher time frame structure should always provide clarity with how you frame your ideas and execute.
Boom, boom, boom. Come on, those 480s. 880s. No.
What do you mean oh.
I mean,
Wait,
it
you
got
got
up there.
81. We talking
No,
about?
I partialed, so I still have one left.
Oh.
I wanted
I
high. I want
lowered
880.
lowered stops.
Higher. What is this?
Maybe fail breakdown of YM as ES and NQ bounce.
And the production, they're really upset with me because usually we can prompt for a vote, and they have not provided one.
Yeah, you're still on that, huh?
I
Gonna
must
work
be
for
on
you,
the shit
Leo.
list. It's like, Leo asked for what? No, fucking
Do you want me to ask?
no.
He'll be so mad if they actually
I want to
do
make it
that.
awkward.
It's like when you ask your friend to ask your mom if you can go out.
They're on a break.
Mm-hmm.
So much divergence here. The way everything is moving.
Hard G like gift or soft G like Jif the peanut butter? Oh, look at this. 70%. Salma.
What? Dude, there's only 34 people voted.
Once
You can't
again,
even...
you're on the wrong side of history.
I don't care. I'm still gonna say it the way I want to say it.
60 votes in now.
Guys, we have 600 people watching.
Yeah, let's get those likes up. What are we at? 104? Come on, guys.
What are we doing?
We're about to be at 200 subscribers.
What day makes a year? St. Patrick's Day?
What day makes a year?
Yeah, of the relaunch of NT Live.
Oh, St. Patrick? No, it was in March.
We are in March.
Yeah, when's St. Patrick's Day?
In March.
Oh, I thought it was in April.
Nah, that's Easter.
I think it was the week of the 16th.
Okay, yeah, production says March 17th. St. Patty's.
Guys, if we get to 200,000 subscribers, Leo's going to send out peanut butter to everybody.
That's funny. You make sure you send me one.
It's going to be GIF peanut butter.
Did we win? Did the poll? Who won the poll?
Hard G.
Hard G. Okay. Just checking.
And let's get those likes up while you can. Like it up, subscribe.
Besides YM, everything else on the hourly looks really good for reversal here. I like it. May have to cover shorts soon. Is it pronounced Dom or Dome? It's pronounced Dom, because I know better.
That's a debate between many. It's like the old school versus the new school debate.
I feel like it takes more effort to say Dome.
Yeah, I think you're right.
VWAP or VWAP? I don't even know what the difference is. Oh, VWAP
VWAP.
or VWAP.
VWAP.
VWAP is, in my opinion, the right
Yeah,
way.
VWAP is the proper enunciation.
You know, that's what I think, because at first, I didn't even realize what the difference was between the two.
And they really went up to those 880s and just said, nope.
Oh, let's go. Pay the trader.
By the way, production, thanks for putting that poll up. That means a lot to me. It means you still care about me. And just want to say thank you.
There we go. TP hit.
Good
Now I can
morning,
chill.
Joel. Good morning. What is this hot mess?
Yeah, we're just range bound here now. 9:48, almost 2 hours. VS can't get going. It has to date with prior day low. Yeah, CO broke, man. I think Anthony's long, no? Finally had a big move.
All right, I'm shifting gears to ES for now. Done with YM. Again, if I take anything, it will be longs.
You said what now?
So now I've shifted my focus. I'm out of my shorts. So now I'm shifting my focus. If I were to take anything, it would be long and it would probably be on ES. So just gonna be watching that. The hourly looks really good for a reversal. Even like if I invert it, this would look good for a short. So yeah, this is the kind of setup that I would be looking for. I still just don't like the fact that, YM is really, really weak. Want to see YM kind of just slow down a bit.
Exploring CME. It will be soon. Very soon. Can we get a round of applause for Salma, please? Production.
Thank you, guys.
What about T?
Does Chris have a Lambo?
I bet you he has a 2002 Honda.
Hey, how'd you know that?
Just wild guess.
What kind of Honda, though? We talking Civic, Accord? What are we
Civic.
talking about here?
Come on.
That's crazy. That was my first car ever.
Really?
Yeah.
I think that was almost everybody's first car. Yo, how
It was
does this guy know? How does Josh know? I love Audis. They're the best car.
You just look like an Audi guy.
I'm surprised you don't have a Tesla, Chris.
Because I'm in California.
I mean, that was awfully judgmental of you to say just because you live in California. You just seem like a Tesla guy.
All my neighbors have Teslas.
So then what, you should get one.
I just don't like the idea of being stuck in the middle of and having no power. Like if something happens. Although we do have a electric vehicle in the family. But guess what? It's an Audi.
Is it?
Mm.
That's funny. I was thinking about getting the Tesla truck, Cybertruck.
What do you drive now?
Tahoe.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Are you like those big boys, huh? Driving the family everywhere.
When you have kids, man, we have,
You know what? You definitely look like an Escalade kind of guy. Just like, yeah, that makes sense.
I've actually been looking at like some of the other versions of the Tahoe and kind of eyeballing some of those
Those are nice.
fancier models, I guess. Like we have a what is it? We have one of the, I don't know, it's not like the top end Tahoe, but it's I can't remember.
Oh, here's the
I
S
don't know.
coming for that Pride Day low.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna break.
Just made new lows.
The buyer's trying to hold it here.
I think he's holding though, so we might get a divergence here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is looking bear flaggy now. Russell too.
You usually move your stop to break even on the runners, Leo, or you take the original stop?
No, I like usually I would normally add here in this scenario. But I'm just it's distracted.
Tahoes, huh?
Distracted by the Tahoe conversation. No, usually like when we have a range like this that's pretty well defined, I kind of two things. I'm willing to add to this trade on these retests because, I look at it as, okay, just play the range until it stops working kind of deal, right? So like you were along here, I was along both of these pushes. Like there's another good long potentially here, until the range breaks. And then when it does break, I actually look for that, this whole thing to be a stop run for kind of that V-shape reversal. So there's kind of two ideas here. So one, giving me the flexibility to add to this trade is just how I operate. And so that's why I don't have a stop at break even here. Just muscle memory.
I mean, the day's done. Very choppy.
Yeah, I mean, we're in this afternoon chop. And and I like the fact that ES broke and it's starting to rally. I mean, that's good. It's like I would take this trade in ES. The one that I just discussed is, you just draw, a line here. You have the break of the range, reclaim. Usually a pretty good trade.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna wait till power hour for anything else.
Power hour.
Power hour.
It is upon us in 25 minutes.
Yep.
That power hour is
Interesting.
usually more of a joke than anything else. It's like, who named it power hour? People that wanted that last hour to be fun or have a lot of excitement. It's usually not exciting.
It used to be.
When?
Power hour used to mean something a couple
When,
years ago.
Salma? When?
A couple years ago.
What am I waiting for? I mean, it's very choppy right now. I would have to wait to see if maybe there's if ES takes out the prior day low and NQ doesn't. And then we get a reversal similar to what Leo's looking at.
I'm interested to see if from now until 3 o'clock, if NQ holds and doesn't make new lows. ES wants that previous day low. It's so close, it might as well.
Yeah, at this point, it's going to tag prior day low.
Yeah, it's right there. It should. It probably sweeps previous day low, and then, I mean, might as well also just sweep December lows. And then see if any buying comes in. No, Mark, any more? And I'll start being upset that I paper-handed YM. Please. Oh, thank you, Nate. Nate Sr. Appreciate that.
Yeah, look, kind of strong here.
Yeah, yep.
If this bounce here into the 2-minute 9 MA gets rejected, then it'll create a lower high against this recent breakdown and then go take out prior day low. So if you're short, you want to see this in EAS, bounce into the 9 MA, 20 EMA here on the 2-minute, and then reject to make go lower. If not, then you're going to be triggering a reversal. I can take it back up to the top side of this range here that we've been in. But it's just not the best conditions here, at least in NQ. ES is having a little bit more movement. Does that mean YM made a new low? If ES
Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, 5 minutes ago. Yeah, same time as ES, yep. So did the Russell. Basically everything except NQ.
Yeah, cyclicals are hurting.
Yeah, but so far, like that divergence between NQ ES is holding, and this is what people would refer to as an SMT, bullish SMT.
Also known as a stop run.
I mean, yeah, when it doesn't work, yeah.
I like
But like,
SMTs.
I mean, I don't necessarily trade off of them, but I do keep them in mind. If I see it, I'll obviously.
I trade them. They're good.
So would you trade this?
No,
Or
I
like,
want to see an
yeah.
SMT on the original drop, like when we dropped into 1 o'clock on that first initial drop. Like that's where I want to see an SMT as soon as that initial downtrend is ending. Because at that point you have this is a consolidation. You have a lower low, lower high, second lower low, second lower high, third lower low. And then if you have the combination of an RSI divergence into the third lower low and then SMT with ES, then you have an A plus reversal, which is
Okay.
part of like my reversal strategy. And that combination gives you at least 1 to 1.5 R. This one created, 1.5 R exactly, and then it bounced, and then if it came back down. Look at that, we're reversing back up, guys. I said if we created a lower high here into the 9 MA and moved lower, we would take out prior day low, and if we didn't, we would trigger a reversal. So we're seeing that right now, and this can move back up to the 6790s. And with NQ holding much stronger, we could see if NQ, well, it's still in the range. It's not the best conditions.
No, it's not. If we're looking at NQ hourly, this is the exact setup that I always talk about on stream that I would take for reversal, either the upside or the downside. And, ideally you would want the low to be protected, just like it's being protected on NQ. And I'm waiting to see if within the next 17 minutes it continues to stay protected. Whereas like on ES, and this is something I've noticed a lot lately, they've been sweeping that low and still reversing, just trying to stop people out. So I do really like this for a reversal. Just want to wait, decently up on the day. Don't want to give anything back if I don't have to.
Mr. Market, that's how it is, though. It has to be like an if then now. So if this happens, then this will happen. If not, the other, right? So if we don't trend lower in the breakdown attempt, then we'll trigger a failed breakdown.
Yeah, I think you need to look at things from both scenario aspect. Nothing wrong with that.
Like that's how my ideas get framed.
I think he's just being funny, but like a lot of people do that, and then like on FinTwit, and then they just boast about, oh, I called it right. Well, yeah, you're gonna be right regardless of which way goes. But no, it's good to plan your trade that way and come in prepared. Leo's still holding on to that runner.
This is where usually I would just be like shit posting on Twitter, but I really don't post on Twitter much anymore.
Dude, I was wondering, why is he so quiet? What is he so focused on? What are you doing?
He's
Just-
building out that spec for the Tahoe.
Production, can we tap into his screen and see what he's looking at?
Building new shit. Shit
He's
posting with
freaking-
friends.
He's multitasking.
Instead of words with friends, I'm creating an app. It's called Shit Posting with Friends.
Bro.
What is this?
It was like never ending.
I was waiting for the 15-second cutoff and it didn't come. Yeah, so we're building shit posting with friends, and this is how traders just hold their positions while they wait for the market to fucking decide what it's gonna do.
Please send me in the invite.
It'll be free, absolutely free. You forgot the price will move sideways option. Yeah, I mean, this is literally what we're experiencing today. But Salma did promise that in 15 minutes we're going to enter the all in encompassing power hour, and we're going to experience a power of trading.
I didn't say all that.
I mean, the words power hour imply something.
Well, listen, it's either power hour or sour hour. Or a flopperooski where nothing happens. But I'm going to bet that something does happen. I hope. I just woke up. Did I miss any moves? Dude, go back to sleep. You're not missing anything right now.
I don't know. A 60-point move is, do you call that a move?
Nah, close the markets. Me and Stowe were chanting close the markets earlier on stream.
You were?
Yeah. Well, we weren't chanting it, but
Yeah.
yeah, we were rooting for that.
What do you guys do when you're in a trade or the market's really not moving, the markets are not favorable to your conditions?
I ship post
Okay. I
on
have
a
never
burner.
seen you shit post on Twitter.
On a burner. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I will never
What's
ship
your
post from my
burner?
Twitter. I can't tell you.
You have a burner?
Chris, we can't hear you.
Do you have, answer this honestly.
What?
Do you have a burner? Yes or no?
Yes, but not for the sake of shit posting.
Okay.
I
So
think
you
everyone
do,
has burners.
you have a burner account. Do you actively use your burner account?
Yes.
Okay. Chris,
What?
do you have a burner account?
No,
Okay.
He's lying.
I don't.
Yo, he's lying.
I don't have time for that.
I don't have a burner account. And I would tell you if I did.
Well, like yeah, no, of course I have a burner. I even have a I think I have a personal Twitter account.
Like,
do
do
you
you
guys not?
follow yourself and then you give yourself like the best feedback? Oh my gosh, you're the best. And
No,
then you
no, no,
repost
no,
that
no,
on your
no.
main
No.
on your main account.
She
Like, I
said-
love my
she said-
fans.
Yo, that trade was amazing. How did you get in that?
Nah. I do know people who do that.
No way. No shot.
Yeah.
Who? You have to name.
Hell
Name
no,
names.
I'm not naming no names.
Wait, get in your burner account and then message us the names. So
Hang on. Hang on.
I think everybody's got burner accounts. Whoa,
And
confirmed
that's a
narcissist. That's
young thing.
crazy.
That's a youngin' thing.
Well, the thing is, like, I don't want to ruin my Twitter algorithm, like on my trading page. So, yeah, that's what I have another account for. Think you could do this to me?
Just don't follow anybody outside of those I'm interested in. I have a lot of words muted.
Dude, it's actually Twitter algorithm's kind of annoying because it gets ruined so easily. Like if you look at like whatever, one thing, then you start getting that same thing over and over and over again. I do have like two different TikToks. Like I got my trading TikTok and then my personal TikTok. I think that's normal, guys. Nothing narcissistic about it, Sean. Chubby, I don't think I missed a long. And if I miss it, I'm completely okay with that. I would really like to wait for this hourly candle to close. Seeing some decent buying pressure on YM as well.
Yeah, reversal back up to these recent range highs.
I mean, I think we could get acceptance through this low volume area all the way back into the opening range.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
like-
interested
On the
on
whole
the
for.
long here on a pullback.
You want to get
Yeah.
long now?
Yeah, we can pull back to create a higher low, take it back up to 950s.
Dude, YM is looking really good if he can hold this here. I can see NQ hitting 959. That would be a good level. Damon, yeah, like my reasoning behind it is I just like to keep work as work and like personal as personal.
I just, whatever I feel like saying at the time on Twitter, just say it.
Kaden, I don't think any of us are looking for shorts anymore here.
Yeah, the 15 minutes triggering a reversal.
Mm-hmm.
We're back into December's low here for NQ, and also the what I call the bull bear zone in this 2 to 3 week range. Let's see how a higher low looks here, and if it provides a good opportunity.
Yeah, I want to see NQES just reclaim the 9 EMA on the 15-minute.
Yeah, this is the reversal attempt.
Yep.
Let's see.
I don't think I will touch the Russell or the Dow. Be ES for me for sure. That chart up. Yo, someone made a YouTube account and named it Salma's Burner. Guys, this is no. The internet is a
I have-
crazy place.
I have somebody that has the 5-minute mid as a YouTube account.
The 5-minute mid
5-minute
OR enjoyer.
Or enjoyer, yeah.
Yeah. No, but dude,
I respect it. Yeah. He's a absolute Chad, an amazing human being. I mean, you can't have that account name without being just an absolute gift to humanity. There was also Stowe's burner as well.
All right, I guess I made it then.
But Stowe's the funny thing is that Stowe's burner is actually Stowe's burner. Put that together.
So it's him?
It's Stowe's burner.
The stove's burning?
Yeah, it's Stowe's burner. A dimpled Chad could be a good handle. Clearly, Salma's burner is actually Leo.
Bro, is it you? Yeah, you've been too quiet.
If I had time for all that, I would, but I don't.
I mean, you were pretty locked in on something, right?
I was.
Yo, my chat is a little delayed. I just saw that message.
You're just
All right, we have
behind.
a higher low here now. Let's see if we are able to consolidate up here, build a little bit of acceptance. If not, we're just going to remain range bound. We can hold here, create the higher low and push out. Good. If not, guess what? Back down.
I'm waiting for that power hour vibe.
Stop trolling.
And that higher low failed. So
This is why we wait.
go back down to the lows.
This might be like the entire week where the setup starts to form into the close, and then it sets us up nicely for Asia.
Yeah.
If we look anything like this on the hourly going into Asia, let me see how the 4-hour looks. All right, well, we'll revisit how the 4-hour looks right before we hop off stream. But the hourly right now is setting up nicely for reversal into Asia. I will probably be longing this later.
How often do you trade overnight?
Yeah, you trade overnight?
Yeah, all the time. I mean,
Do you put your pajamas on to trade? And so you're
I am
officially a pajama
indeed a
trader?
pajama trader. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So you do, but you actually put pajamas on
Yes.
just to trade?
No, not just to trade because I'll be in bed trading. So, yeah.
You trade from your bed?
At night, yeah, when it's like 3 in the morning, hell yeah.
Wait,
not at
The
my
fuck?
desk.
up trading at 3 in.
Okay, so hang
Yes.
on. Let me just, you're laying in bed, you're sleeping, you
Yeah, and
randomly
then I
wake
wake
up
up.
at 3
Yeah.
a.m.
Yeah.
and then you're like, oh my God, I got to hit this trade?
Yeah. Hold on. Wait. Let me
Yo,
get a
money never
screenshot.
sleeps, Leo. Okay.
Get a screenshot.
Oh, wait. Let me get the screenshot from overnight because I yap a lot in my group. There's some people in the chat right now that know that I trade overnight.
I know, but I'm curious about the,
Here we go. Wait.
like, how this actually works.
What do you mean how? It just does. Here, chat. You guys don't believe me?
You just like randomly wake up and you're like, oh my God, I'm at a
Bro,
level, and you start trading?
Check the timestamp on that. 4:05 a.m. Bang. First TP hit.
What do you mean? Check the timestamp on what?
Oh, look at my screen.
Oh, I'm not looking. Hang on. Is this supposed to mean something? Let me see.
No, I'm just trying to show you the time that I sent this message in my group.
Okay. So what does that mean?
Like I was up trading. I don't. What are you confused about, guys? Is he trolling me? Am I getting trolled right now? No,
I feel
it's not
like
even
one
about
day
being. Yeah.
we're gonna do a pajama traders segment.
Bro, I'm all for it.
Okay. But we have to put our pajamas on before we can trade. So we're in our pajamas. We trade live on YouTube, and it's the pajama traders session.
Listen, I don't think production is gonna be up at 2, 3 in to.
Well, we're
set
not doing
everything
it
up.
at 3 a.m. Let's be clear. We'll do it at like 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
They have
Trade
families.
Bro, they could
when
wait.
they're asleep. Yeah. My kids are asleep at like 8 o'clock.
Yeah, anyway, I'm down. Not
Pajama jammy
not that
jam.
I need to say that, but yeah, I'm down.
The pajama millionaires. I don't know. That seems like it could be a good segment.
Bro, why is oh
If you're going to participate in that show as a listener, a watcher, you also have to wear your pajamas or you can't watch. Those are the rules.
are you gonna be wearing a hat at
Fuck
night?
yeah. Yes.
Oh, brother.
1 year is when? March 18th? That's when the hat comes off.
I hope we're on stream together that day.
March
It's going to be
18th,
so good.
Wednesday.
Deli might actually force me to put my hat on. It's going to be so clean.
Well, no,
Be like-
we've seen the picture that you have up on that
I know.
gets posted on Ninja.
I
It shows
know.
you with
I know. It
a
does.
toupee, so
Shows
you're
my-
good.
Oh, Chris, that is special.
Chef Cap says, Leo, I don't want to see you in pajamas. I'm sorry, brother.
It's probably a cat.
That's kind of rude.
Yeah.
A lot of cats.
I don't even know what that means. It's just
That's
the
funny.
same. That's kind of rude. Whatever.
Stop it. Chef Cap's just joking.
Leo is going to be bald. Ninja's doxing my hair. Unforgivable.
We're kind of holding up here.
You use the hair rollers that the chat is claiming they use, Salma.
Wait, what? What are they saying I use? Salma uses, honestly, I've never even come in contact with one of those.
Okay, so then she doesn't even know what you're talking about.
That's like an 80s thing. The hair rollers. All right, I set a limit for longs on ES a little bit lower at 85. See if we get there. And then stops at low day. We shall see.
Yeah, we're holding here.
Well, better not go without me.
A little bit of a change in character. Kind of interested in a trade here. We have a new hourly candle.
Salma, check your DMs. It's really important.
Moo.
Critical to the continuity of the show.
You're still on that?
Yes.
It's not, I don't think it's anyone you would know.
Wow.
So, Chris, what are we thinking here?
We're holding up here. We're forming a little bit of acceptance near the range resistance. We're not rejecting back down. We're holding after that SMT that was formed. Constructive action. I like
This looks like a great long to me still, so I'm just staying in this trade.
You're still in that runner, right?
Yeah.
It's you against the world with that runner.
Sure is. I'll take it.
Dude,
I have
like
58 minutes.
And this 30-minute candle in the Q's non-existent, pretty flat. Do we have any news tomorrow?
Yeah, non-farm.
Oh, that's why we're choppy.
Non-farm.
We're just gonna wait for that.
PHARM.
If we fail here, I think ES wants to go to that prior day low.
So yeah, that's the thing. The 15-minute close, previous 15-minute close looks a little iffy. Uh-oh. No, I'll take a stab at it. Okay, I filled on my longs. It's literally just this 9 EMA that's acting as resistance. Break above that, and I think we'll be solid.
That is so choppy.
It is, yeah.
I got short ES. We're gonna see if we come back down here now. You know, we tried holding up here. We didn't. There was no push higher. We should have broken out then. I'm gonna be quick with my partials though. If it moves lower, oh, what is that?
Hello.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I like that.
Look at that. Quick stop for me.
Oh, I got you. I have the news, I think.
Oh, there it is. That's the move.
Jeez, that was
Very nice for you.
yeah, it's something oil field operated by US firm hit in drone attack in Iraqi Kurdistan. But that came out 3 minutes ago. No, I don't think that's what just pushed us.
Let's see.
I need a
Just power
continuation.
hour, guys.
Maybe just
Bro,
This is what you promised. Power
I
hour.
told you.
see if we can hold a breakout here.
What did we learn today, Leo? That's a
That
soundbite.
power hour you promised was 5 minutes late.
Brother, it's the whole hour. Bro, Throne Shop, stop. He's
Nah,
always
he's
trolling.
just a
Always
troll.
trolling the news.
He's
Yeah,
always
yeah.
trolling.
It's not even about the points. It's just about the movement. Yeah, Mark, that was a soundbite. That was awesome.
Wait, that wasn't actually you?
No, that was a soundbite from like
Holy
last
cow.
week.
They have you so like dialed in when they clip you, you can't tell it's not you.
Wait, what did
I
she say?
know.
I didn't even think that was a soundbite.
I know, right? You didn't even know.
It was the what did we learn today, Leo?
Oh,
That was something I said to you last week.
Let's see if they can press it again.
Come on, pump it. What did we learn today, Leo?
See? That was so real.
Chris
what?
still hasn't caught it.
I just heard it.
It's funny. Hey, by the way, guys, are we all following NT Live Media on Twitter? Because if you're not, you should. I even have tweets on for them. They just posted something.
Oh, notifications.
Irvin, you better go follow, please. Chris, what do you think of my target on ES being 68.12? Is that too aggressive?
I have a zone at 68.18.
Yeah, I mean, that
12
makes
is like
sense
the
to go test
bottom
that.
of the morning support,
Yeah,
so it could
right.
work.
Okay, so all right. I think if we can just get back above 6,800, it should go. It's just taking too long.
Yeah,
And
let me get back in.
I like 940s, 960s on NQ.
I joined you guys.
Let's go. Team longs. Oh, wow. All right, I'm putting stops at break even here. This is a pretty great day for me.
I might stop right under this candle.
I want to see the Russell start to participate here. Start doing something. See, Mr. Market, he doesn't know. But he does now. Ryan, I would recommend not really focusing too much on risk to reward and just focusing on the levels in front of you and what the chart is saying. So whether it's a 1-to-1, 2-to-1, whatever the case may be, just listen to the charts. That would be my 2 cents on that.
How do you listen to them? Like
I took half
speakers?
off into 1R.
Do you plug in like headphone jacks? Where do you plug them in?
I'm looking for
What are you talking about?
You said listen to the
950s,
charts. So
960s
where do you
next.
listen?
Brother. Guys. You're
I just
trolling
want to
me.
know where you listen to the chart.
Bro,
You said
I'm not
listen
gonna
to the
lie.
chart.
Guys, this was bottom ticked. I was probably 3 ticks off on this trade here. Bottom ticked, but 3
What?
ticks off.
What? I've been
What?
sitting here.
Bro, you've been sitting in a fluctuating trade. I just entered, and it's only been uppies
Are
for
you
me.
fucking serious right now?
Oh my God, it's so easy, Leo. I throw you the bait, and you take it, and you get enraged every single time.
Yo, you're about to make me crash out.
This is amazing.
What the hell did
Come
you
on.
bottom tick? Nothing.
What? Are you joking? Guys, you're joking, right? And watch me top tick this exit. Come on. Don't do it. It's so easy, guys.
I don't know if we'll get to 960s, but that is my next target in NQ.
Yeah.
I paid for
Yeah, I
the
like
trade
that too.
already, so you can do whatever it wants.
Bro, just do it.
Time to use that burner account. I'm going to create
Looking
a
for
burner
a
account.
higher
I'm
high,
going to
higher low,
turn my
higher.
account into a burner account. So I have a burner account with like 25,000 followers.
Just start shit posting everyone.
I'm going to delete all old tweets and then just start shit posting with the burner name. That would be funny.
All right, above 12 on ES, my next levels would be about 19, and then I have weekly open. But I'll be okay with just taking it off at 12 when I'm watching the market do whatever it wants to do. Rakesh is in the chat. What's up, Rakesh? We've been looking for you. Guys, if you don't know, Rakesh is XY's quant.
I didn't know he had a quant.
He is the quant. Chat knows. All right, I talked so
Targeting a
much
high
shit to
of day.
Leo. Who's targeting high day?
Somebody in chat said PO3 set up targeting high of day. That's, I mean, that would be crazy to get all the way back up there. High of day?
Yeah, I mean, unless
300
some
points,
crazy news
300
comes
points
out.
from here in 45 minutes? I don't
You
think
said
so.
800?
300 points.
Oh, yeah.
With
Well,
what,
somebody
NFP
is
tomorrow?
smoking the good stuff out there.
Come on, give me 960s here.
I'm out. I'm out.
Me
Peace
too.
out.
Me too. That was perfect.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Beautiful. Chat, did anybody go along with us? Talk to me. Yes, and now short. Yes. About half. Good job, Wonky. Oh, yeah. Nice. Good job, guys. Someone said they've been long since 25,100. Share. Are you okay? All right, cool. Now we're all just rooting for Chris.
We're just rooting on Chris.
Yeah.
For what?
You're
For your
you're the
trade
last
stat.
one to be in the trade.
Oh, you guys closed yours? I saw
Yeah.
you close yours, Leo. You close to Selma?
Yeah, I had my limit at 1275 on ES, and it basically just tapped that, got me out, and yeah, now I'm chilling.
I want 960s. 950s to 960s.
I have 959 as definitely feasible. Think you will get it. That should send ES to like 6820.
Yeah, that 18 zone I told you about.
Mm-hmm.
18.
Yeah, it's trying though right here.
There you go.
Just be careful because there are a lot of headlines coming out. I've got my eye on financial juice. A lot of stuff is being said here.
Good thing is my risk is paid for, so
Perfect.
I don't really, I don't, when I pay for the trade, I don't really care what happens after. I know that over time I'll hit my R multiples, and then when it's not, then it wasn't meant to be.
Just like my first marriage. Not meant to be.
You sound like Pax.
What am I seeing on the Dom? A lot of ones and twos. You guys already know this. Okay. Leo knows that if you need Dom expertise, you know who to call.
Call Chris.
Yep.
He's
The
got a
POC,
course.
the person of color. Okay. That's what POC means.
That's what POC means?
Yeah.
I thought it was the person with tacos.
That's POT.
Okay. With the person of carnitas.
Carnitas. Yo, it hit 948, 946. Can we get to 950, 960s? Come on. Give it to us. Whoa, I can't say that. It's not Friday yet. Ask me that question tomorrow.
There's a good short here that I'm not going to take, but
Out of
basically
respect
we're at
for my
the
trade, or
yeah, I guess so. I mean, we're attempting to break through this prior support, and there's just lots of selling at the top of this range on the ones and twos. And you could see kind of we have this big range bound zone. We were in the chop earlier, trying to break out of it and getting into that resistance. So idea for the short would be a return back to this chop zone and to look for a trade that closes down in here.
Come on. Oh my guys, last week with XY, I had a limit order to sell to close like a partial. And then Q hit, it was just shy of one tick. One tick.
Bro, that happens to me all the time.
Oh, look at that. Did he just do it again? No way. Did I just speak that into existence? The high is 53.75. My partial set at 53 what? Look at that. Look at that. So close, yet so far. Whatever. I'm just going to take more partials here. Oh, come on. Literally just did it again. It just did it again. I shouldn't have said anything. Okay, I got more off at 2R as we enter the 950s zone. See, guys, I just look at these zones. That's how I trade.
I thought you traded boxes.
Yeah, this is the break out of the box.
On a high enough time frame, Selma, the zone does end. There's so as a box.
Yeah, look at that. And there we go. We're seeing higher. So we made it to the main target, which is 950s, 960 zone. This morning we were supporting there. I mean, I bought this initial reversal here. I bought this reversal for 960s. And then I bought this one as well. And then I got long into the 960s on this time. But there you go, zones. It's
Good trade.
capturing the move away from this box into the next zone of interest.
Yeah,
Just try
good
to do that
stuff.
daily. I can move my stop to break even now. And then I can ride the rest. And that's it.
That hourly, guys, set us up perfectly.
Yeah, remember that 15-minute reversal we were talking about?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And that's it. All right, the day's done.
Nice job.
Just like that.
Just like that.
What are we
Time for
doing later, guys?
Taco
Anyone got
Thursday.
anything fun?
What are we doing? I don't know. I don't know what we're doing later for dinner. I didn't get the text from the wife today. She didn't ask me today what I wanted for dinner. Oh, actually, I do know. Oh, shit. That's not going to happen. I better text her now.
Yeah, it's gonna be a no from me.
He just had an entire conversation by himself.
Yeah. What are you gonna
Leo, Chad wants to know, what did you have yesterday, Leo?
Payway.
What the heck is that?
You never had Payway?
No, let me
What
look
is
this
that? I've
up.
never heard of that either.
What?
Chinese food?
Yeah, you've never had Payway?
I don't even think there is a Payway in Jersey. Let me see. No, there's no locations here.
Okay.
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, there's
It's-
no locations here. That's
Chris, it's
unfortunate.
because you're Mexican. It's fine.
Bro.
I know Hayway.
Chris, your laugh kills me, bro. You literally you hold it in. It's the funniest thing ever.
Leo's just ready to let out that inner Oklahoma.
We were supposed to have steaks tonight,
I'll be back
but
though.
I forgot to put them in the I forgot to put them in the thing.
That inner Oklahoma's coming out, Leo. All right, can we make it to 4R now so I can pay myself more? We're up 100 points here. We're back into the morning support area. We've reclaimed that.
Watch it make a new high of day after you calling that a
Yeah,
crazy thing.
that would be crazy.
Crazy. Damn, I want to short this. I'm gonna go for it. Give it a little extra space.
We're into the hourly 9 MA here where we can see some resistance. Can I sell one? No. We're seeing some resistance.
Yeah, I'm short.
If we can make a new high, I'll close it.
Oh, I misclicked and got out. Okay.
Get back in.
No, anytime I make a mistake, I try to give myself a minute. That's what you get for having keyboard shortcuts on your mouse.
Yeah, I'm afraid of doing that. I need to take profit sound clip. I don't know what that is. Chris knows. I know what.
Do you guys miss me?
Didn't even know you were gone.
Oh,
No, that's yo, I knew you were gonna say that. It's messed up.
Hey, it is what it is.
Irvin
Damn.
said Salma looks locked in. Dude, I am always locked in.
3 a.m. She's locked in.
Yes.
For real.
Shab is here. What's up, Shab? I actually just sent you an email.
Shab, I'm hurt.
Say it, pronounce it.
I am disappointed.
What happened?
I don't even have words to describe the way that I am feeling.
Oh, here we go with
You
the
haven't
drama.
called, you haven't texted, no communication in like 30
Is
days
this a
at
canceling
least.
session? What's going on here?
Yeah.
Wait, I need to know, Shab, does he hit you with the reactions? Or does he actually send you words?
Oh my.
I need to know this, please. This is going to be interesting.
Leo only replies with reactions.
Bro,
I had to learn that.
it is the most annoying thing ever because it's like, why am I even texting you?
Is that why you stopped texting me too?
Yeah, I'm like, for what? Why? I already know what you're gonna react with.
I'm really upset that I killed myself at that short on accident.
Wait, you went short?
I
She
wouldn't
said I wouldn't
say
say
words
words.
plural. Why
Okay.
say many words when one word do job?
That's funny.
See?
That's right. Is that an Oklahoma thing?
That's hilarious.
I'm with Leo on this one. I am also with Leo on that one.
So you're not a yapper. Yeah, we
Okay,
would never get along.
there are people that have no. Listen. Okay, I'm very introverted.
Mm-hmm.
There are people that just have the gift of the gab of like just being able to fluently like talk about nothing, but while also talking about something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really have that, but if you engage me in like a legitimate conversation, I can talk for hours. So it's kind of like a double-edged sword for me.
So you're a phone yapper, but not a texter yapper.
Oh, I hate texting.
Okay, that's
Honestly.
all right. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
So next time, call. I got it.
But like if
when
we
I call,
see Shab confirms,
always
Shab
on
does confirm.
time.
Yeah. But like if we meet up in public, I'm probably the quietest person around until you get me engaged in a conversation that I think is interesting.
Okay, that's
Because
fair.
I hate small talk.
Yeah, me too. The worst is when you haven't seen someone in a while and they're like, "Oh, what are you up to these days? What do you do for a living?"
Yeah,
Oh, brother.
I don't care.
Oh,
Yeah.
brother. I just said
Guys,
I'm in
what do you tell
finance.
people? I'm in finance. No, but then that is like it still piques their interest and it makes them want to ask, "Oh, like what do you do?" Well, I don't want to tell you what I do. Leave me alone.
Corporate finance. I work on
Bro,
Excel sheets all day.
it's the worst. But then if you tell someone that you like if you genuinely
The
had
questions
a
that come after that are just
yeah.
so annoying.
Yeah, and the thing is if
Can you give me advice? Can you do this? Can I give you my money? Blah blah blah.
yes. It's
No. The answer
every
is no.
time it's like that. Every single time. But
What
like
do
if
you
I
think about
had a
this
boring
stock? I'm
job,
like, I don't know. I don't even look at the stocks.
A
these
Do you think
future.
stocks.
You
do
can
you
see the
think
future?
do you think Amazon is a buy? I don't know.
You don't know me, son. Yeah. But if I told them I was doing something boring, then it would just be like done and dusted right then and there. They wouldn't even ask a follow-up question.
You don't know me, son.
I just say I'm an underwater basket weaver.
The hell does that mean?
See? That they
Just
wouldn't
making
ask.
shit up.
You say that and then they don't ask anymore.
Like even my own parents don't know what I do. You want me to sit here and explain it to a stranger? Like it's just not happening.
This is why Nick's mom still asks him how his podcast is doing.
He had a podcast?
That's hilarious.
That's what she thinks he does.
My mom just knows I'm on YouTube. She really doesn't know.
Oh, you play with your friends on YouTube? That's cute.
She just knows I YouTube.
Yeah, my parents don't know either.
I actually tell people I'm unemployed now. That's funny. See, but Savannah responds back to me, and she responds quick. She's efficient. She gives me words. Leo responds back quick, but it's always like a reaction.
Does the emote not give you what you need?
No, dude,
He
I
needs
like,
closure.
That
bro.
is
I will.
wild. I'm gonna release our chats and so everyone can see the emotes I react with.
Please
Everyone
do.
would know what I'm saying.
Please do, because half the time I always reach out to Leo for something important, and it's always like a laughing emoji. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Like, what the hell? Oh my god.
I don't think that's.
Chris,
I
I'm just
think you're
gonna
actually
start coming to
just.
you with
You're
my
just
questions.
trolling. I think you're just trolling.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start texting Chris instead. It's cool.
I'm always
All right.
on time.
That's a good song. Is that what you're listening to right now?
No, I just started singing it.
Oh, okay. Because like Nick and I think Leo does it too, where they just play music. I don't know how you guys do that. Play music in your ears while on stream.
13th was a Friday.
All right. Well, it looks like. Oh, Chris, you're still in your long. Nice.
Yeah, I got to capture that trend until
I
it ends.
have 14 as next level on NQ. What's your TP? 15?
Until the trend ends. We're above 960s. I have mid 30s. That's the next level for me. I don't know if we'll reach it. I think we create some sort of like a SMT up here. Oh, we do have an SMT.
And we have that SMT from the bottom.
Yeah, we
That's
have a
what
new one
pushed
up
us,
here.
Leo. See, I told you.
Yeah.
And Power Hour. The two things Leo mocked today.
I don't know. I was already in the trade. I told you all the reasons why I was in the trade. You guys can make up all the other reasons why why the trade worked.
Nah, today was awesome. Today was pretty cool.
So I'm looking for a new high, see if I can get out. If not, I'll close it here around 3R and then call it a day.
I need to know why Adnan in the chat is so confident we get high of day. Tell me, explain to me why. I'm not doubting you. I just want to know and understand.
I mean, the structure on the higher time frame does point to that. Today we were seeking a higher low against yesterday's reversal and we got it.
Mm-hmm.
So today into tomorrow we can see continuation higher.
Oh, but he's saying like within the next 20 minutes we'll get there.
Yeah.
I can definitely see us continue this into Asia. Let's check the 4-hour. How are we looking on the 4-hour here?
Yeah, we're a bit over. All right, I'm gonna close my trade here. This is
Nice.
3. It's gonna take me out right here. Let's see if it takes me out. This would be around 3.7, 3.5R.
Good stuff. Looking on the 4-hour, honestly, I think YM looks the best if we are to continue this.
All right, just closed it here at 3.5R. And then we'll see how the next pullback looks, but probably done for the day.
Yeah, guys, if anyone does decide to trade Asia, I would keep an eye on YM and Russell. Just the setup looks better there, in my opinion. But if you don't feel like losing sleep, don't trade it. Don't do it.
We all made our points, guys. Like it up for that. Get our
Oh, yeah,
likes
well,
up, please, for the network. Subscribe.
what's the likes at?
260. I know we can get to 400. Come on, guys.
Or we got, I think, like 4 or 5 successful trades on stream today. We need to pump those numbers up.
Possible good exit here.
It's interesting. The rejection on NQ comes from the 4-hour 9 EMA. NQ is the only one that's at its 9 EMA right now on the 4-hour. YM being the furthest one away.
February 13.
Leo, I need you to prove someone in the chat wrong.
What?
You have someone asking you a question on your trade. Someone doubts that you'll answer it, so prove them wrong.
You're talking about BPG1YL.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They've been asking the same question all afternoon. They're spamming the same question. So I refuse.
If that's the case, then never mind.
So far, my earlier comment was continue high here with SMT. We did get that. ES made equal highs, NQ made a higher high, divergence. Now we want to see if we are able to hold this 960s here on a back test. If we can consolidate, wedge up, then this can continue higher. 960s, 950s will now have to fail, similar to this morning, in order for us to move back down. So it should be, hopefully that makes it provides clarity, because it really is, a bit straightforward when you have prior support that is reclaimed. Can we hold it? Cool, we go higher. If not, we go back down. That simple. What kind of onesie for 400 likes? 0, not at all.
Never gonna happen.
Not for 400 likes.
We can't even get to 400.
We just made 3 profitable trades and we're not even at 400.
How many likes do we have?
304.
After a certain period of streams with no likes, I'm gonna leave.
Where are we going?
We won't come back to the Ninja stream. They can't even like the stream. Woohoo! Daddy Stock said woohoo. Hey, you might not like me being here.
No,
so that might be a good thing.
His woohoo is about his other comment.
Oh, okay.
It's not about perfect timing though. It was good timing.
I think one day I'm just gonna leave the stream, just like at a protest for no likes.
Okay.
Yeah, just leave, just midstream. Like, see you guys. That'd be funny.
Just make sure you're on Kane. You're on with Kane when you do that.
No, then Kane will get all mad about it. Oh, you left me alone with other people.
That's funny.
I hope he's not watching right now because I'm just DMing with him. What's the largest index trade you guys have put on?
Futures or
futures?
Equity?
What relevance does that question have? I'm just curious.
What?
No, I'm actually genuinely curious. Like, what relevance does that have? In a cash account, not a simulated funded account. Just curious. I put on 40 minis.
I've done 100.
But I don't trade big, like Pax, I know Pax he'll have some size behind some of his trades. I'm not going to say how much, but I know that he will put some size on it, like some big size. I don't. So I've had 40 on before. I definitely felt things that I didn't want to feel again. I've been trading micros on stream because, well, 2 reasons. One, I'm not really here to demonstrate how much money and how good of a trader I am. I'm just here to trade and talk about trading ideas. So it's easier for me just to trade micros and, more or less like be engaged with you guys and the rest of the, like Salma, Chris, etc. So that's just the way I've approached the streams. It's very, I mean, I don't know what you guys think, but it's pretty hard to stream, trade, and engage with each other in the chat all at the same time.
Always.
The amygdala kicked in hard. Yeah, it did. You start feeling your breath.
It's just a
When
percentage
lonk?
of an
What's a
account.
lonk? My on-stream trades have been sharp lately. Do you know why? I'll tell you. There's a 3-letter word that I now have, and that's how helpful it is for me.
3-letter word?
3-letter word, yeah.
Does it happen to be?
It starts with a D, has an O and an M.
A dome.
That would be a 4-letter word.
El Dom.
That's how a Spanish person would say it.
Yeah. El Dom.
Hey, dome! hey, it's a dome!
217.
Too many sound clips in this stream.
Domed wand? How good time?
15-minute NQ. If we don't hold 60 here, this could get dumpy into the close. Oh, we have algo time coming up too.
Here in about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yes, we do.
Yesterday's algo time was actually fun. So we'll see if we get something like that today. It was the only time the market moved yesterday. All right, guys, we need 50 more people to get us to 400 likes. Think we can do that? Leo, you look like Justin Timberlake's cousin.
I've had that before. And Mark Wahlberg and Leonardo DiCaprio. But I'm neither as good looking, as funny, or as rich as those people.
Pick your struggle. Jesus.
Oh, Chris, whoa.
Dude, that was so good. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
That was great.
Yo,
Chris.
it's always the quiet ones.
Chris, we got to get on stream more. Let's kick Merritt off Tuesdays,
Attention traders, it's algo time.
That was great.
We'll make a pact. We'll kick Merritt off Tuesdays, and then me and you will do Tuesday mornings too.
It's funny. Oh, we going for new highs? Was it a mistake to close my runners? I don't know. They love us on Tuesdays.
Is that the only time that Mara is on?
Yeah.
Bro, he said pick your struggle. That was top notch. Good stuff, Chris.
That was great.
I'm gonna use that.
I mean, if we go back up to new all-time new highs, that would be, we did, technically did put in the higher low against the last 2-day reversals.
We're gonna have a big.
Oh,
It's gonna be a big doji day.
did we just?
Close in the middle.
Oh, let me see
What
that.
I just noticed is that, oh, not NQ, on the Qs, so like QQQ, we had a undercut of the prior day low. NQ did not. I mean, I look at SPY and Qs too, but that was a good trigger back long. Well, we made our points, so.
I'm so hungry.
They're gonna clip that.
Why?
That was dead.
Why?
It was
Why?
dead silence. It
No,
was
I
such a
don't
good
think that's
one.
clip worthy.
Yeah, it
I
is.
am. I'm starving, dude. See what NQ does above 14. Above 14, we go to 52.
Are you
52,
fasting,
63.
Salma? Still?
Yeah, yep.
That's why you're up late at night.
Yeah, because I get up to
That
eat.
cereal.
Well, I'm not having cereal, but yes.
Oh, are you only allowed to eat certain things at that time?
No.
During
Like
Ramadan?
I'm making like eggs and avocado toast and stuff. Making a whole meal.
Proper Zoomer stuff.
Yeah, no, what did I make last night? I had 3 eggs. That's what I had. Sunny side up.
Hey, Daddy Sucks, you can come on and trade your 20 lots here on NinjaTrader Live and talk to the chat and communicate with the rest of the crew. I'd love to see you do it. Open invitation. Leo, understanding of Ramadan is going to be funny. I mean, I understand it. You just don't eat during
It's
the
not that
day.
hard. Yeah. Mr. Market, yeah, fasting is no food from sunrise to sunset. People intermittent fast for like 8 hours. No food, no water, yeah. But this year has actually been very easy. I mean, sunset's really, really early. It will suck next week when, daylight savings happens and we have an extra hour.
Oh, when does that happen?
I think Sunday or
Oh my
Saturday.
God. This weekend?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, the Sunday. Why you hate it? I love when we get, no, that's it. Summer's around the corner. That's what that means. Yeah, what time is it, Rob? Is it 2 in the morning or 1 in the morning? I love having an extra day, an extra hour to the day. 2 a.m. Yeah. I'll probably be awake at that time. So Leo, why do you hate it?
Hey, what?
The fact that we're getting an extra hour?
Because I have 2 kids.
I'm waiting for the continuation.
You would understand if you have kids. You don't.
Oh,
So
yeah.
kids, daylight savings times just throws them completely off schedule for like at least a week and a half.
That's fair.
Like the old one doesn't think it's time to go to bed yet because the sun is
Still up.
still
Yeah.
out when it's
Yeah.
bedtime. So he's arguing with you that it's not bedtime yet for hours. And then the baby is, she's going to kind of be off cycle a little bit. And then, yeah, it's just a pain.
Oh, to be a fly on the wall. Leo's son, right? Your son arguing with you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. To be a fly on the wall.
Well, he uses mommy as protection for any time we get into an argument.
He probably rage baits you without even trying.
He probably does. He knows.
That's awesome. Guys, there's that 52 on NQ. We're just pushing higher here.
Yeah, look at that. Back up.
Oh,
I don't think we'll make it to the new highs, but very strong reversal. We put in that higher low.
oh, this is good. Damn, I just saw ES. I covered those longs way too early. Holy. Damn.
Struggle is real. The sun is shining. Yeah.
Will be a good Friday. Yeah, you'll be on tomorrow early, no? Salma,
What? I'm sorry?
you'll be on tomorrow early, right?
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we've got 1 minute left in the trading day, guys, which means our time with you is slowly coming to an end, unfortunately. But lucky for you guys, some of us will be back. So tomorrow we have Capital Preservation Friday with the one and only Pax. I'll be on with him as well. And then after that, we have Chris coming back with XY to trade the open. And then we have Stowe and Lumi for midday markets. Leo, Chris, do you guys have anything to say? Any last words?
Y'all take care.
I don't have it.
Chris was
Y'all take
thinking
care
so-
now. Y'all take care now.
Bro, you should have seen him. He looked like he was trying to think of something, and then that was the best he
Yeah.
could come up with.
Pretty
Y'all take
much.
care. All right, there's the bell.
All right.
Um,
That is it. And as Jim would say, Salma, what does Jim say?
wait,
The most
this-
important message of the day. Please be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Take
Bye,
care, all.
chat.